hungrier than the undefeated champs. Rather, the undefeated team.
Here's Vernilia. Misfires from 3-point region. And we have 10 seconds on the shot clock. That's a good pass inside. Balmaceda with a 3-point play opportunity.
Not really the best shot to pull it up from, but I see. Talaga nga, desperate times calls for desperate measures.
It reminds me of that TV series of Desperate Housewives. I remember even Longoria said that in that TV series. I love that series. And we have a whistle by the referee. So it is a lane violation for the Tatalon team. And we're going to have a substitute free throw for Balmaceda. But because of the overflow crowd and even our air conditioning is not enough to suffice them, now the court is a little bit moist. Oh, he banks it in.
Sure ball, partner.
And even the buzzer, we cannot hear it anymore. Even us, we cannot hear it ourselves. Kailangan lumapit pa ako sa iyo para magkaintindihan tayo.
Totoo, partner. Iba talaga yung crowd na nandito sa Amoranto.
A minute gone by in this fourth quarter. Possession again for San Martin de Porres. Balmaceda. Spin. There's going to be a foul against Manubay.
Reset possession. Every possession, they need the score.
And Tatalon already has 3 team fouls. Here's the baseline drive. The shot will not work. The tip-in will not work as well. They've been trying every conceivable angle to score, but it seems like San Martin de Porres always running out of gas. And there's a kick ball. The ball possession will stay with San Martin de Porres.
Alam mo, partner, nabanggit ko ng second quarter. They need to space out their offense. Try to go for perimeter shots. Not everything has to come from the inside.
Masyado nga masikip yung daanan ng San Martin de Porres. Meron tayong foul na tinawagan. That's back-to-back fouls on Manubay.
We could have early penalty with 7 minutes and 54 to go.
Yung pagkakataon na San Martin to chop down the lead without the clock running. Here's the 3-point shot. Still can't soak it. And the ball will go back to Tatalon.
(57-40).
It's a 17-point bubble for Tatalon. That started in the second quarter, wherein San Martin de Porres only scored 7 points. And look at Manubay and Alabang. Whatever the movement of Manubay, Alabang will try to counter its speed and agility.
It's either Samson or Manubay who gets that ball. Samson has it.
And here comes Manubay. He lost it. And it is a steal for San Martin de Porres. Here's the drive, the reverse layup, no. Put back, still no go. Everything but the shot. But luckily for San Martin, they get back the possession. 17-point lead.
Substitution. Butaldi will replace Rosales.
Ubusan na to ng lakas. Vernilia from the corner. Fires a 3. Yes, sir!
Hinahanap niya na yan. Kanina pa, partner. Could that begin a wonderful scoring run for a chance for a comeback para sa San Martin de Porres?
And they're pressing like crazy here. Trapping the ball carrier. Almost got a steal. Here's the drive. Hang time. No. Rebound. San Martin. Fast break opportunity. Can he go all the way? Binangga. May foul.
Here comes 2 free throws coming up.
Now, slowly but surely, San Martin de Porres, amidst this noisy and raucous crowd here at Amoranto, now slowly coming back with his 14-point deficit from a high of 21. This shot from the free throw line by Laurente. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 30. 57-43 Tatalon. (57-44), 13 points. And now San Martin continue to press. Here's the team captain, Samson. Double team, Samson. The love, the tap. Still Tatalon ball. Samson, reverse. Beautiful.
Oh,
Beautiful.
iba talaga. Tatalon. Highlight after highlight. Here's another.
Fast break. Samson!
And
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
through contact, John Christopher Samson soars up to the skies and lands down. We have a
No
timeout.
choice for San Martin to call time because Samson is smoking. Timeout. Welcome back. 30. If this trend continues for Tatalon, there's an unanimous vote that Samson might get this finals MVP in this championship round. Huh?
Oh, partner. More likely. As I said from the beginning of this game, he is the main factor, the main man on how this Tatalon squad remains unblemished throughout the whole tournament. And they could keep it that way. Could they make history in our Ega Yap Cup?
And if in case, whoever is the champion, we're going to see the streamers unfurled and we're going to see balloons come down in this building. With a good 6 minutes and 3, Samson completes the 3-point play. He's already got 21 points. Top scoring all scorers. 62-44. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 55. Laurente pass, telegraphed again, but there is a foul against Dumuran. Now this is the important integral 30 for Tatalon. They are in a penalty situation and they need to score more free throws, but at the same time they need to defend.
Yes, partner. That's correct.
5:48 is the timepiece.
Pero you know what I like about Barangay Tatalon right now? They still remain in that mentality. Go for the kill. Hindi nila pinoprotekta ng kanilang lamang. Dinadagdagan pa lang. Dinadagdagan lang nila. Tignan mo, isa pa. Fast break point.
It's a
Malabwak.
block. Good anticipation. But whether the gray shirt or the San Martin de Porres can come back or not, one thing's for sure. 30, this championship series, I have seen a lot of championship series. You're right, it's like a UAAP finals, but the atmosphere is like, this is like game 7.
Oo,
But before we
partner.
discuss anything, we need to take our breath. We have a timeout.
We'll be right back for more action dito lamang.
Good 5 minutes and 33. We are now on the halfway point of this playoff period. And we're going to determine if Tatalon will be reign champions or if San Martin de Porres can mount a full-scale uprising. My name is Ron Barro together with 30 Hapos. At alam mo, yung sa apelido mong Hapos, sa totoo lang, sa dalawang laro na to pare, hapong-hapon na tayo.
Abe. 5 minutes and 33 to go. But it just remains, it seems, to be a close game.
But instead, it is a wire-to-wire. 15-point bubble. Converted free throw by Bernilia. Oh, look at this. The guards are really very shifty. That's Ramilia's example, but there's going to be a foul spotted by the refs. It's a foul by Joms Catalan. Down to the 5-minute mark of this championship match. 62-47. Turnover. Fast break. Here's Catalan. He has an open lane. The lead is 13. 62-49. 4:51 in the fourth quarter. Ramilo says, let's slow down. Do not waste any turnover here. Ramilo drives. The reverse. Yeah!
Oh, great finish. Another highlight.
64-49. Ball was taken away. Another fast break. Samson! Foul! No fouls, I'm sorry. It's a bucket by Valdemar. Referee's letting it go.
Basket after basket, partner, like I'm telling you. They're just going for a kill. Hindi
Jason
nila
Smith.
pinaprotektahan yung blamang nila. That's what Barangay Tatalon is.
Killer's instinct.
Oh.
Very imminent for Tatalon tonight.
Oh.
If you want to win the crown, if you want to win the big dance, you need to perform that way. And with 3 minutes and 58, it's just a matter of time. But that one is a turnover. Fast break, the layup, and a bucket plus a foul. Balmaceda with a 3-point play.
It isn't too
opportunity.
late to start a comeback effort. And we could see something brewing here for San Martin de Porres. Promising basket after basket after basket here para kay Jericho Balmaceda. He does not want to give up, and I'm sure San Martin de Porres wouldn't want to either.
Ayaw nila sumuko. Hindi pa to tapos. 3:46. 13 lang ito. And Balmaceda looking at the coach what to do next. 12-point game. 66-54. 3:45 remaining. And here's Ramilo. Siya nagdadala quickly. Bounce pass. Samson fires a 3. Malakas. And there's a foul.
Penalty na dito ang Tatalon,
Yan ang
partner.
advantage ng San Martin de Porres. Kada foul ng Tatalon, titigil ang orasan. And they will try to score as many free throws as they can.
Everything must fall right now. No room for error na dito para sa San Martin de Porres. Oh! And that's a foul. 5 fouls there.
Unti-unti nauubusan na ang player dito ng Tatalon because of foul trouble.
First one to go was Lazaro, and now it's gonna be Miko Loveres.
At gusto ko lang batiin yung isang broadcaster natin na si Diego de la Paz. Sinasabi niya midnight hour. It is midnight now, 12:15, and it is a Sunday, June 17. And in the next 8 hours, I have a gig in Cainta after this broadcast. Just a few hours rest after this. Offensive rebound. But, the big but, nabitawan ng bola from the baseline ni Laurente. 11-point game. Boy, bagsakan dito ang dalawang players. Ramilo slips, and there is a foul. So, ang foul ay matatawagan kay kanino? Kay Catalan. At medyo umaalma ang coaching staff ng San Martin de Porres. And look at the coaching staff of San Martin de Porres. They're complaining on that last call by the reps. And the security needs to intervene them to avoid any altercation with our venue announcer. Dahil alam mo, 30, dahil championship series ito, ayaw nating mangyari yung mga nangyari na nakaraan na alam mo, minsan sa isang liga, pag ganitong ganyan, sa sobrang hindi makontrol, pati yung mga referee, nagwo-walkout pa minsan.
Oo, partner. That's why yung naghihingi nga ng control ang ating mga referees and ang ating venue announcers sa ating mga fans. Kasi partner, if worst comes to worst, baka makapaglaro tayo sa isang closed doors event.
Di lang yun. Ang
Oo.
ayaw pa natin maiwasan yung mga nangyari ng mga nakaraan, 90, 80 na may mga nagbabato ng piso, nagbabato ng coin sa court.
Oo.
Yun ang ayaw mangyari.
We're trying to avoid those types of situations. But
O yun na nga, may mga nagbabato doon sa taas.
Oo.
Ayaw natin mangyari yun.
And that could be trouble.
Kasi pag nahuli kayo ng Quezon City DPS, hindi na kayo papapasukin dito ever sa Amoranto Arena.
Oo, partner.
Dahil merong karatula sa likod. Actually, kung babasahin mo yung karatula, bawal po. You are prohibited to throw any debris on the court.
Oo.
So, imbis na, matapos tayo ng ganitong oras, medyo mag-extend pa tayo ng konti.
Yeah, and right now there's some discussions happening, and the fans right now really getting riled up here. At ang ating mga players asking that the fans just don't calm down, guys.
At saka matatapos na tayo 3 minuto lang yan.
Oo.
Kanina 20 yan, 11 na lang yung lamang na yan.
Ito, nga partner, parang pampawala rin to ng momentum. Kung galing nga man sa San Martin de Porres ang nagbato nun.
Ay
That-
nako,
that-
malaking dagok yun.
Oo, at yung isa pa, hindi pa beneficial yun para sa kanilang barangay. Kahit galing yan sa barangay Tatalon, we don't want this.
Ayan na yung ating commissioner.
Go back to your respective benches right now. Okay? Control your emotions, ha? We are about to finish and we are about to done.
Yan po ang sabi ng ating commissioner. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, hindi lang sa the broadcast na ito, sa mga iba pang broadcast, locally, internationally. In a sport like this, only one team or only one player in an individual aspect will win. And one important factor for sport to be able to consider you as a sportsman is to have self-control. Control
Oo.
your emotions. Ikaw mismo, nakita mo yun sa tatay mo na kahit na medyo, alam mo na, nakakapikon na, marunong magpigil ang iyong airpods.
Oo, partner. At na-display yun talaga in multiple occasions. At ayun, naging hina nga ng ating, syempre ang ating minamahal na commissioner that we just want for us. Kasi at the end of the day, etong mga nasa court, magkalaban lang to, sa court lang. Pero pag sa labas ng court, these guys are sportsmen. These guys have that self-respect for each other, self-respect and respect for each other.
Finish. Okay? So control your emotions. Okay? The explanation is done. Okay? Let us respect the counselor there and then we will about to continue and finish this battle. Okay? Let's begin. Baser. Yep. So Baser, control your emotions, ha?
Kasi alam mo, partner, sa mga counselors natin, napakahigpit nila sa mga taong, yung alam mo na, masyadong hindi emotional, tas nagbabato pa. Kasi ayaw natin mangyari yun. Kasi baka mamaya, kung ibabato mo piso, tas tayo matatamaan, biktima tayo, yari
Oo.
tayo, di ba?
Oo. At paano pa kung marami yan? We just want a clean game.
Kaya nga
clean.
maraming nagko-comment kayo sa Facebook na sabi, tapusin na yan. Konti na lang yan, oh. Matatapos na yung laban. Yan ang karamihan ng mga comments ngayon sa Facebook of over 2.3K viewers.
And well, I would just like to say na since now it is June 16 Sunday, Happy Father's Day sa ating mga
Oh, yeah.
minamahal na tatay, minamahal na lolo, nagpapanggap na tatay at magiging tatay pa lang.
May ganon? May
May
ganon
ganon.
nagpapanggap?
Baka may ganun.
Napaos tuloy ako doon.
Baka lang, baka lang.
2 minutes and 47 to go.
Steal. But, counter steal to get it back.
And now, all Tatalon needs to do is to chew up some time.
Domoran needs to shoot it.
Wala. Hindi niya nakita. Shot clock violation.
They weren't aware of the shot clock here. 2 minutes and 33. San Martin de Porres still has that chance. But could that huge stoppage, that long stoppage sa ating laro, have erased their momentum? Tingnan natin.
2.5 minutes, 66:55. The back dribble, the drive, the shot. It will work for
Jump.
John Paul Smith.
Single-digit lead.
And they throw the ball away.
Oh.
Pressure na dito ang Tatalon sa comeback ng San Martin de Porres.
Ken, as big as 23 down. Now just only 9 points. Can they do it?
Yes.
And one.
They did. 7-point game. It is a 7-point game. Two minutes and two. We're entering the last 2 minutes. San Martin de Porres showing the never say die.
Kapit lang.
86.
Kapit lang. 6-point lead. Biggest 23. Now only down 6.
Last 2 minutes.
San Martin de Porres and what
Here's the
seemed
drive. 14 seconds on the shot clock. They're gonna settle down. Baltimore drives. Baltimore almost tripped. Shot clock at 5. Ball is down and they lost it.
great defense.
It is a foul on Baltimore.
Penalty.
Every foul of Tatalon will be free throws. And look at the crowd here. Talaga nagwawala na yung San Martin de Porres.
Partner, what seemed to be San Martin de Porres lost game. Kita mo, partner.
Number 5, Ford.
Okay.
Here's the scores. You can see the team fouls. Penalty na dito ang Barangay Tatalon. So 2 free throws coming up for John Paul.
Umalog lang. He had a good line. Umalog lang.
Second free throw coming up. Welcome to the pressure cooker, John Paul Smith.
Yung sa mga may heart disease, huwag kayo manood.
Talagang makakabaka dito.
It's both free throws. Last touch by Samson.
Guys, alalahanin nyo, huminga kayo. Pwede kayo huminga. 1 minute and 38.
Yes, in the last 2 minutes we can have the replay. Yes. Direct, let's have an instant replay for them. Referees, please come up here at this stage. Padaanin niyo po dito yung mga referees para makapag-review sila. Padaanin niyo po dito.
So,
Padaanin niyo po yung mga referees para makapag-review sila ng last 2 minutes.
Well,
Mga bata, tanggal muna.
So we'll be going on the review. At earlier, down at 23, San Martin de Porres seemed down. Talagang tahimik ang mga fans, but suddenly with that sudden surge of energy, nag-iingay na dito sa San Martin de
At
Porres.
ngayon, tayo na sa spotlight. Lahat ng mga tao dito nakatingin na sa atin.
At ayun, at ito
My
mga
name is
referee.
Ryan Barro, and you are Mr. Thirdy Hapos. What a championship it has been, huh?
Oh, wow. Akala mo tapos na, pero naghahabol pa pala. You thought they were on their last legs, but they had more in them.
It is, after review, it is a possession for San Martin de Porres. 14 second shot clock. 66-60, Tatalon with a 6-point advantage. Balmaceda inbounds. Laurente. 10 to shoot. That's a long three. No,
No
rims
good.
out. It rims out. They trapping the ball carrier. They cross it. Baltimore inside the Samson.
There goes! After going AWOL, Samson sees an opening almost. 1 minute and 10.
Okay, we're gonna review it. Review. Let's review. Let us review. Rep. Let's see that again. The last out of bounds. I thought that last touch is Samson. Let's have a review.
Tingnan natin, partner. We'll never be too sure until we see it. Until the referee see it with their own
Yes.
eyes. Under review ang ating play on whose last touch. So we can never be sure.
So, medyo nagkakaroon ng kiriyan sa pass kasi medyo nagkakaroon na ng konting disorganization, but we will wait for the referee's decision on the last out of bounds play. Oh, we have some pass fighting. Oh, we have some pass fighting here on the court. Oh, that's not good. No. Oh, somebody. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's listen in to our commissioner.
Oh, relax tayo ha. Oh, sige.
Kuya, mga taga San Martin, please, tapusin na natin. Sige na. Para matapos tayo, kuya. Baka ano pa masabi nila? Sige na, kuya. Ako lang nakikiusap. Nakikiusap ako, kuya. Gumilid na. Thank you, coach. Thank you.
Tatapusin natin ha. Okay, we will finish. Let's start.
Okay, alam mo, sa totoo lang, 30, napakabait, napakapasensyoso ang ating commissioner. Ang gusto niya talaga matapos ang laro despite all the odds stacked against him. At nanggaling tayo kanina sa instant replay, the referees will decide kung kanino yung bola. Wow, yan ang tunay na teleserye.
Oo.
Hindi mo alam eh.
Bibigyan natin ng pakinggan.
What seemed,
galing sa taas yung kumusyon.
mukhang yung plano was to make this a closed doors event. Pero talagang gusto ng ating commissioner to make the fans enjoy it.
Instead of ruining it.
Oo, instead of ruining it. At nakikihingi na talaga nakikihingi kami lahat ng malaking pabor. To just let the game finish. Let the championship. Let everybody enjoy. We don't want any bad vibes. from
Mga
this quarter.
kaibigan, 1 minuto na lang to. 1 minute and 5 and the game is over.
Oo, partner.
1 minute na lang ito.
Well,
And we have 2.4K comments. It's keep on coming.
2.4
We are deeply
thousand.
appreciated it. Kasi ang mga marshals natin at yung mga officials natin sa Quezon, gusto nila itigil dahil gano'n. Pero sabi ni hindi, tatapusin natin to, konting gulo lang yan. That's what I
Oo.
love about this commissioner. He is
Oo.
very hands-on, ha?
At talagang mahal, pagmamahal lang talaga. We just want to see things end on a good note. So, hold on.
Kasi alam mo na, kinwento rin sa akin yan ng ating famosong broadcaster na si Chino Trinidad at si Kinito Enson, na-experience nila yung kabaligtaran. Sa boxing naman, yung nagkaroon na talaga ng riot.
Oo.
Ayaw natin mangyari yan sa basketball.
We don't want anything for that to happen. So, we're just awaiting on what will happen here. At naghihintay na lang kung kailan na magsisimula ulit ang laro.
You know, partner, I'm running out of vocal coach, but it has been a pleasure. It has been an honor to cover this sensational championship.
Foreign partner, from the semifinals until here, it has been such an amazing experience. Iba talaga yung atmosphere dito sa District 4 ng Quezon City.
At iba rin ang atmosphere na pag nagkaroon tayo ng overflow crowd dito sa Amoranto Arena. And of
Oo,
course,
yun pa.
credit to this lady who has been also integral nung sa mga finals. He's been one of the logistics officer. Again, ma'am, thank you so much for your hard work and helping us here dito sa ating Egay Yacht Club. Okay, nag-uusap pa yung referee. Siguro mag-commercial break muna tayo. Magbabalik tayo sa ilang sandali.
We'll be right
We'll
back.
have a commercial break. Ladies and gentlemen, the referee is already decided after the review. Bola pa rin po ng San Martin de Porres.
Ay,
Ayan, sinasabi na ng commissioner, pakiclear lang ang court. Bola na San Martin de Porres. Isang minuto na lang to. Konting-konti na lang, partner.
Oh, partner. 1 minute and 5 seconds, and whatever the ending is, it's gonna be a good one. We just want this to end on a good note. So last touch para sa Barangay Tatalon. So Barangay San
Martin de Porres.
De Porres.
Ang bola. 65 seconds remaining. You know, running out of vocal cords. What a spectacular championship it was. Okay, they're checking the exact time nung nangyari out of bounds. Tinitingnan ng referee kung nung nagkaroon ng out of bounds may anong oras. What time remaining.
Oh, partner. But it looks like it's gonna be inbounded on the sideline or in the baseline. Pero feel ko na sa baseline to, partner.
Baseline yan. Pero
Baseline.
tinitingnan ng referee ano ang eksaktong oras na nalalabay. Is it 1 minute and 5, 1 minute and 10, or 1 minute to go? Ganon, mga ganon.
Oo.
Okay, it was confirmed from our CEO of Sports Ground, Mr. Boss Ian. It is 1 minute and 13. 1 minute and 13 seconds. So they're going to reset the clock to 1:13. One minute and 13 remaining in this game.
Here we go.
Saglit lang ha. Wait lang. Inaayos lang natin ang clock because the clock says 1:05. Pakita natin yung graphics direct. Pakita natin yung graphics.
Looks like it's gonna be 1 minute and hold on.
So, ang sabi ng ating referee, the time is 1 minute and 13. Ngayon, ang ating scores table ay inaayos lang ang ating scoreboard para ma-reset ito sa 1 minute and 13. Remember, the score is 68-60. Tatalon ahead by 8, but the ball possession is with San Martin de Porres. Again, my name is Ryan Paro. At kasama,
Di-delay, magka-countdown tayo kasi we cannot go back. So the time is 1 minute and 10 seconds. So magka-countdown tayo, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pagdating ng 4, tsaka tayo magko-continue to go. Hindi siya editable, bossing. Okay?
brilliant decision.
Makikita nyo naman ako magka-countdown. Okay? Oh.
Excellent.
Okay, usog muna kayo ng sandali. Matatapos tayo, we can manage.
You know what, 30? Marami na akong na-cover na liga, major and minor. I have never seen this commissioner hands-on. He's really on top of the show, ha?
Oo, partner. Talagang yung main priority na talaga matapos at mag-enjoy tayong lahat.
One minute and 4 seconds remaining. And our commissioner explaining to the team of San Martin de Porres what will happen. So the exact time is 1 minute and 10. Our commissioner will count down 6 seconds before the timer will
Begin, yes.
Wow. Okay, mga kaibigan, ang ating official score, 60 points para sa San Martin de Porres, 68 para sa Tatalon. Let me repeat, 60 San Martin de Porres, 68 Tatalon. Our exact time is 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay? So, hindi pa po tayo tapos. Stay put lang kayo dyan. And look at this, the fans are edged on the seats. Ngayong madaling araw, partner.
Oo.
Masarap kaya tulog mo mamaya after this?
Tignan natin. Tignan natin. 1 minute and 4 at sa mga gising pa nga na nanonood, 12:40 and 2,700 live viewers right now. Have a pleasant midnight sa inyong lahat. At syempre, happy Father's Day sa ating mga tatay na
Malapit na tayo
nanonood.
mag-alauna.
Oo, partner.
And this is the longest championship game that we have. We
Oo.
started at 10 and we're gonna finish what? 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock. So mga 3 hours. But it's all worth it. The action is all worth it.
So remember, ang instruction ni Commissioner, magbibilang sila ng 6 seconds on the play, while on play. And then after the 6 seconds, the clock will start ticking.
Yes,
Tandaan
partner.
natin yan. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lang. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paharo, kasama si 3D Hapos. At ang ating airpad, si John Hapos, hanggang ngayon nanonood pa rin
Oo.
habang patulog na.
Oo,
Sa Nueva Ecija, kasama si Johnny.
Oo, daw, matulog ka na. Binati na kita sa Facebook, matulog ka na. At happy Father's Day.
Alam mo, may mga nagbibiro sa ating Facebook eh. Matatapos daw tayo ng alas 3. Matik daw.
Ah.
Magka-countdown ako ng 6 bago pindutin. Okay, go!
Okay, back to the ball game.
Here we go.
Hey, tabi tayo dyan.
Yan, magbibilang ha.
Hey, tabi tayong konti.
Iwan natin ang mic ang commissioner para alam nila na meron 6-second countdown. Ha? Para hindi tayo
Ready?
Back to the ball game now.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, 1 minute and 4. The commissioner countdown starts now.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003.
Counted. Counted and foul.
And one.
How about
Basket
that?
and foul.
What a good basket there. A much
number
needed
5.
basket.
Okay.
So
Fouled out. Fouled out. Fouled out ba?
Number 5, foul.
Fouled out number 5.
So Jose Valdemor of Tatalon fouls out of the game.
So, no,
May 3 segundo pa doon sa countdown ni Commissioner, ha?
Oo.
Tandaan mo.
3 segundo pa. 3 na rin na foul out dito para sa Barangay Tatalon. We have number 5. That is Valdemor. Number 6, si Mico Lobenes. At number 13, Mark Vincent. Or rather, number 9, si Herbert Luis Lozaro.
He makes it.
Bonus free throw is good. 5-point lead. 1 minute to go.
Ayan, tapos na 6 seconds. 1 minute remaining. 59 seconds now. Here it comes. Ito na si Samson. He wants to clear out. 55 seconds. Shot clock is now down to 10 seconds. Samson will drive. The drop pass inside. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Kala mo scorer lang si Samson. He can do everything. Credit him for the assist and the wonderful finish from Butalid. Barangay Tatalon remains on top. And the chants have started.
This game is not yet over. 8-point game. Ngayon, ang kino-complain naman ng San Martin de Porres, bakit nung up to na counter, ba't wala yung shot clock? Ayan ang ating score. Tatalon 70, San Martin 62, 63, time remaining is 47.7 seconds. Free throw is good.
Bonus free throw is good in Butalid.
Okay.
With a
Up.
fist.
Teka muna. Walang play. May timeout tayo. 47.7 seconds. Hingan muna tayo ng malalim. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this game is not yet over. It is just an 8-point lead for Tatalon, 71-63. And now, San Martin de Porres needs to score right here. Balmaceda will inbound in front of us. They need to score now. Laurente drives. Alley of play.
Adrian!
He got it. 6-point ball game. 71-65. 6-point ball game. And Tatalon calls for a timeout. Will shall take a short break. Okay, back to live action. Now, both teams have one timeout remaining. Both teams in penalty. Anong kailangan gawin dito ng Tatalon? They have a 6-point lead. Okay. All right, they're gonna check the score now. It's 40.9 seconds. The score is 71-65. Again, thank you so much for the viewers, 2.7K. Remember, you know, San Martin de Porres just hanging in there. And a lot of those shots of San Martin de Porres, tutukan lang, di na pumapasok. It could gone either way. This game might be tied, or maybe San Martin de Porres will ahead, depending on the shots selected. But so far, Tatalon, which is a 6-point lead, this lead is not safe at all. 2 steals from San Martin de Porres, the continued trapping and forcing the turnover, that might also spell the difference. So hindi pa tayo tapos.
Let's understand, partner, na earlier this was a 23-point game.
Yes.
Game. Ganong kalaki.
Naibabalat pa ng San Martin de Porres.
Oo, may chance pa dito na makabalik ang San Martin de Porres. But after that long stoppage earlier, meron nabalik pa kaya ang kanilang momentum from earlier. Can they stop Barangay Tatalon from scoring as they've regained momentum as well?
40.9 seconds.
Official timeout.
Okay, meron tayong konting officials timeout.
I'll be right back.
Okay, batiin na natin yung mga nanonood ngayon sa live stream. Rochelle Dantes, Carl Jonas Austria, Ann Cruz, Ara Bayanay, NC Madrid, Bikay Alcantara, Marvin Biag, Cedric Galo, Yok Yok, Bem Bem Pascugin, Michaela Aquino, Echo Alpha, Max Sidang, Caster Narceles, John Irvin, MJ Christopher, Martin Aquino Baluyot, Nikki Tomagan, Wayne Travis, and Charis Alquica Flores. These are some of our 2,900, and we are now close. Look at this. We are now close to 3K viewers.
Sobrang close, partner.
Official score 71, Tatalon. San Martin de Porres 65. Our official time 40.9 seconds. Our security here has been tightened up to make sure that the last 40.9
Now back
seconds
to the ball game.
So maglalagay na tayo dito ng mic ng announcer so that nakikita ng lahat.
Okay, go!
And
Here we
are.
go. Pressure from the backcourt. Inbound. Here it comes. Tatalon with a possession. 35 seconds. They have a 6-point game.
A successful stop here, partner. Hindi kailangan pumuntos ng Tatalon dito ng maaga.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
They can waste some clock.
It's Manubay. Now
7
Samson.
seconds.
5 on the shot clock. Samson drives.
Ramilo!
Oh, rebound. It goes out of bounds.
Oh!
It is a foul.
Okay,
It is a
foul.
So free throws yan.
Okay,
Free throws yan.
shot clock is off na tayo. 13.8, foul, penalty.
Okay. That's a foul on Samson. That's his 3rd personal. Now, free throws for John Paul Smith. Tough one. That's tough. Ang sakit. Ang sakit doon. He missed the free throw. Wala na timeouts ang San Martin de Porres.
Final shot.
Wala.
This.
And
Okay.
Tatalon.
10 seconds.
9 seconds. Samson can waste away the time.
Will they foul?
I don't think they're gonna foul. I don't think they're gonna foul it.
And that will be it.
Game over.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tatalon wins
Game over.
They
the
have a
title of Ega
Game
Cup.
over.
And we finished this championship game 2 hours and 45
Congratulations!
Nakita mo yun. The undefeated
Oy!
12-0. They have made history.
Huwag kayo magbabato!
Champions barangay tatalon ng ating Egay Yacht Cup.
We have two debris here on the floor. One is balloons and the other is battles for the losing team. Kaya lang, yan talaga nangyayari. The losing team of San Martin de Forest, those utterly frustrated patrons, they throw bottles on the court.
Meron pa po tayong award here.
Barangay tatalon celebrating. Barangay San Martin de Forest devastated on what seemed to be a comeback effort coming into fruition. It ends in heartbreak. Meanwhile, Barangay Tatalon has done history. 12-0 plus a championship in their wardrobe. Congratulations, and partner, you'll take it away.
Well, at this point, we will proceed now with the awarding ceremonies, pero hindi pa rin tapos yung mga nangyayari dito sa
Huwag nyo na pong ibato.
Nagbabato pa rin yung mga tao. And we're going to proceed with the awarding ceremonies, and I will annotate everything with regards to the mythical five, with regards to the second runner-up, first runner-up, and the champion, and also the finals MVP. So we will do this blow by blow until we finish this walk. So stay tuned. In just a short while, we're going to have the awarding ceremonies. Now the team of San Martin de Forest now exit peacefully here at the Barato Arena. Konti-konti na lang yung mga nagbabato na tao. At yan talaga, minsan sa sports, may nananalo, may natatalo. Pero this one, it is a 6-point lead. But we cannot discount the hard.
Okay po, balik na po lahat ng ating mga supporters. Mag-awarding. Pa-stop muna po, pa-stop. Stop muna po yung tambol. Stop muna yung tambol. Stop.
Okay,
Okay, para po magkaroon tayo ng proper program sa ating awarding. Lahat po ng ating mga supporters, labas muna po sa court.
Okay, in just a few moments, we will start the awarding ceremonies of this gigantic affair. The conclusion, the final day of the 2024 Egay Yacht Cup. And while we're waiting for the awarding ceremony, pasalamatan natin of course ang ating mga mayors.
Kagawad Miko!
Mayor Joy Belmonte of Quezon City, Vice Mayor Gian
Saan si
Soto
Kagawad?
of Quezon City, Councilor Egay.
Ayaw nilang lumabas. Ay!
CIS Party List, Congressman Erwin Tulfo. AXIS
Labas na kayo, mag-awarding na kami.
Congressman Eric Yap, Congresswoman Jocelyn Tulfo, Congressman of Benguet Ed Big Yap, Chicks ni Joe, Christmas Fried Chicken, Compadres Sportswear. So sa ilang saglit, magkakaroon tayo ng awarding ceremony, and then after that, we're gonna wrap things up for you on what has been a successful season 1 of the 2024 Egay Yacht Cup. Okay, we need to restrain some people who have still equality to each other. Kailangan muna silang palabasin dito sa court para mas smooth ang ating closing ceremonies, ang ating awarding. So, nire-request ko ng ating mga estado.
Kalma lang po, kalma. Tapos na po yung laban. Yung mga players na lang po natin ang dapat nating intindihin. Kalma lang po, kalma. Mga marshals,